is the crocheting method for the 8th round. 3 chain stitches, 62 double crochet, slip stitch. There are 62 stitches in total for this round. Next, let's first chain 3 stitches to make a starting chain. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to start crocheting double crochets. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the stitch of the first chain. Yarn over and pull through. At this point, there should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the stitch of the first double crochet. We'll be crocheting double crochets all around this round. We need a total of 62 double crochets. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. 1 double crochet corresponds to 1 stitch. Let's finish crocheting this row. This round has a total of 62 double crochets. After finishing, you can count the number of stitches to check. We'll make a slip stitch at the position where the stitch marker is. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the spot where the stitch marker was just placed. Pull the yarn through both loops in one go. This round is now complete.